Hi, hello, welcome back to Wealth Engineer. Today we'll discuss about the index post-market review. First, let's start with the pre-market analysis. Okay, if you see the earlier day, okay, if you see the previous day, it is in consolidation phase. Okay, and if you see whenever the first candle is a bullish candle, okay, whoever went long in this candle, they will keep their stop loss below this candle, right? So that has to be noted. So this level is very important, that is PDL level. Mark this level, and PDH level is obviously important because this is all time high and also the swing high, right? And if you see the CPR, it is a higher in nature, which is bullish, and CPR width is very narrow, so that's us, it's a bullish, higher in nature. And if you see, the cambrella is higher cambrella, okay, when compared to the previous day cambrella. So that says that this higher zone has means the sell zone has moved to the higher levels. And here itself you have one more level called R1 level. So in this particular area you have um, 3 to 4 resistances. What is one is swing high and PDH, and then R1, and then H4. So all the pivot levels are concentrated in this level, and this level will act like a strong resistance, right? Okay, as obviously seen, we are able to see the opening at that place, and we have seen a huge selling pressure. Okay, this says that it is going to be on downwards direction by seeing the first candle itself, right? The smart money has located here, and they try to push the prices downwards. Okay, the thing is, you can short it here once it broke the CPR, but it is not a high probable trade because, as I said, there is some stop losses located at this level, so there are chances that it can bounce from this place, right? So this is not a high probable trade, so ignore this trade. And below this day low you have a virgin CPR, so this might act like a support. So until it breaks this virgin CPR with the momentum, you should not go short. So that's what I'm saying, like a safe trader. So this, if you observe this candle, this particular candle, this candle has given is having a momentum, okay, and has broken the CPR, and the day low has broken very decisively, right? So this is the day low, and this day low has broken decisively, so you can go short here and keeping the stop loss here, and then you can book the profits at S4 level, right? So this is one trade. And the other trade is when bank nifty has made inside bar in 15 minutes, 15-minute time frame. If you observe the RSI, it has made the rock bottom at RSI 20, right? So mark this inside bar level, okay, on 3-minute time frame because you don't have time, because it is almost at the end of the day. So at 3-minute time frame, if you see, if any 3-minute candle is closing above that inside bar, you can go long, keeping the stop loss below this inside, and you can enjoy this rally. So there are two high probable trades here. And then when coming to the Nifty, if you see the pre-market analysis, it is like in a sideways day from 2 to 3 days. Okay, if it comes out of this zone, either upside or downside, you'll have unidirectional move. That is my expectation. And in addition to that one, you have inside CPR, which suggests it is going to have a unidirectional move, means or breakout, right? So the thing is, you cannot short it here because you have a virgin CPR. The thing is, you can short it at this candle because it is having a momentum, right? And so far, after it's break, after you are getting this candle, there is no candle has closed above 10 EMA, so that shows that there is a big momentum uh, is available in the downside. So you can go for short here and keep the stop loss here, and you can enjoy the rally up to S4, and you can book the profits at S4 level. Okay, actually the bank nifty trade is so obvious at RSI 20, but this is not so obvious, but still it has made the W shape, and you can go long here by keeping the stop loss. But when comparing to the nifty, you have a better chance in bank nifty, so it's better you took the trade here. So there are total three chances are there. One is in bank nifty, some 380 points in one trade, and some 400 odd points in one trade. Okay, and the other is in nifty. So this is one trade. That's it. That is all for today, and see you tomorrow.